we saw, oh, it's so echo over here, but I need to speak loud voice because people are sleeping. It's like midnight and we are making pizza on this guest house and raspberry cream, I don't know, liquor. And we saw like first night and we saw amazing Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights. That was amazing with the harp concert center and Reykjavik, and yeah, just amazing. And we bought so much food, but let's go eat some pizza. Tomorrow it's the Colder Circle, like everybody else, and Secret Lagoon. So yeah, and after that we are going to horse riding. So stay tuned, all of that.